Hi friends, so last Thanksgiving we went to the Philippines. The whole family went. It was my second time to the country, and for the rest of the family it was all their first time. So off we went from Los Angeles Airport, LAX. We flew direct to Shanghai, and from Shanghai to Cebu. And while we were at Cebu, we booked day tours through cebutours.ph. So on this video, we're going to be looking at our Bohol countryside tour. They picked us up at 5 a.m. from our Cebu hotel, went over to Bohol with a super cat or a super ferry, and then we did some ATV rides through Bohol's Chocolate Hills. Have a look at some of these pictures. And it's Haley, baby! And they call me Tito Pat. And there is Brendan. And here we are at the beautiful Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Now, there are over 1,200 of these naturally occurring hills, a geographical and geological feature of this island. And we're taking our ATV tours around the hills. Again, there's Tito Pat, and there's Brendan, and there's Haley, baby, all on our four-wheel ATVs. The fog's rolling in, the tracks are ready, and we are about to have some fun, get wet, get splashed on, and get mud. Here is the beautiful Chocolate Hills sign above the tracks at the top of the viewpoint. And here we are, ready to go. Now as we're going around the track, stay tuned towards the end and we will have our Quiddich rides, which is the Harry Potter style rides above the hills. And man, we have some Honey, I Shrunk the Kids pictures. Alright, the rain is starting to come down. We're getting a little bit of drizzle. There's going to be mud on the track, and by the end of this ride, we will be muddy, but it was sure fun.
Okay, do the stand up.
And here we go. We're playing follow the leader, trying to catch up to everyone else. And there we go, trying to catch up, I think we're going to make it. Let's try to overtake these guys. What's going on? Why is everyone slowing down and stopping? Time for pictures. Let's pan, and let's go. Alright, we're on more trails. It's getting rocky, it's getting bumpy, mud splashing. Oh, let's just hang on tight and enjoy the ride. Wait up, go around the tree, there we go. And here we are, we've got some Quiddich pictures from Harry Potter. We're flying above the hilltops of Chocolate Hills. Look, Ma, we're flying up in the atmosphere. And then I shrunk the kids. What's going on? Look at them. Oh, how cute in the palm of my hand. Wait, ants. No, they're kids. Don't step on them. And then the refreshing coconut juice. There's one coconut. There's 2 coconuts. How refreshing. And that's our ATV adventures through the Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned on our channel and check out some of our other adventures at other exciting sites. Thanks and have a great day.